builds in with the lens. Easy to take off. Hi, this is Mario. Since I got this Eora bike, I'll show you some upgrade that I did. New pedals, professional pedals, and a bag, a helmet with the light on the back, and then of course for the tools for emergency. Then of course I'm going to record through a POV view so you guys can see where I'm going. Short to see how well this thing works. And I want to show you guys what I see in the POV. So see you soon. I received this helmet, this, or if you don't want to wear your sunglasses, it goes in with the lens. Magnetic. Okay. For this helmet, I paid 40 bucks. Bought it at Amazon. Comes with this bag. Okay, put it in there and put this in around your shoulder, like a backpack. So, you want to remove this? Like that, easy to take off. Put it in the bag. You're not using it. And then you can put this in your bag. On the back of this helmet, there's a light.
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, it's up.
Yep, you got a light in the back. And this one is most likely to stay. It's the most I'm going to be using. And the other upgrade is my phone mount.
Woohoo!
The cellular phone holder, you can either have it this way or this way. Okay, and it's also, you could still function your screens. So, oops. You can do whatever you want with it. Everything is touchable. And then inside here, see your cell phone. Held by the zip. Holds like all. It's like put in there like a wallet. Then here you can put your ID, your money. Okay. Easy. Then you want to put your phone back. Zip it up. And it's water sealable. So it's basically a waterproof, watertight. So it can rain, it doesn't hurt your phone or even your money. Got a little help from the sun. Purpose of this, so if I go off-roading, I can follow the map and record my, so I can record what's going on. Keep track. Sun is on. That in there so I can keep track and record all the distance that I go. Plus I can keep up, I can follow along, follow the GPS, don't get lost. So it's a good thing to have. And to tighten it, look here how it's installed. It's installed in handlebar. Then here is the toolbox. Tool bag. This is where I'm gonna be keeping my my little tools and if I get a flat tire. Let's see. Okay, patch for the tires. If you get a flat tire, leverage, take out your rubber tires, and then the tool. This is supposed to be where you can put your light. Snaps in there. I have one, but I notice it. I'm afraid it'll fall off. So, every rider should be having one of these anyway. Keep your tools. So
Ready to?
I'm
Alright,
gonna
try
see
it.
if it, I'm gonna test this out. Make sure it works.
Put your visor on.
No, don't do it. It's not hot. The sun's not pushing. Where do I put it? Anyway. Oh, you have it? Okay. Ready? For that bike, I decided to get this bike rack. Arksen. And it holds 2 bikes. So,
2 bikes.
yep, 2 bikes. So, right now it's not. This is if you're not using it. And then when it's time to use it. You lock the pen, then you put the bikes in. That's where the frame goes. 1 and 2. And then basically this one, if you have a station wagon, let's say you want to open your door on your car, what you do, you'll take this out, and then you can open your window, your trunk, or your sliding door, or whatever they're called in the station wagon. This one is basically not made for the Jeep, because even though I open it and have a spare tire, it's not long enough. So, but when you, oh yeah, if I put that on this car, the door will be able to open after I fold this. But this one is basically designed for other vehicles. But it still works in the Jeep. Because it's held in the tow hitch. Yeah. It's where you put the trailer. Where the trailer is connected. Done. You're not using it? Okay. Make sure everything is locked when you're using it so it doesn't open. Oh yeah, should you hear? Put the frame. Oh, let me do it again. Let's say you put your bike, and then what it is, you scratch this. See? The frame goes in there. That's how they're held. They don't fall off because they're simple. Now I'm gonna demonstrate how that rack works. I'm gonna load this bike. See? Then these straps will go that. That's it. You're done. Then if you want, you can put extra. You can strap something in here, but I don't need to because when I have 2 bikes, it holds in place. Basically, that's it. Then I put the other bike the same way. Just make sure you put the heaviest bike closest to the lightest in the rear. That's what they recommend. So if you're interested in all this stuff that I bought, I'll put a link. It's gonna be in the description box below. Alright, this is Mario from the description in the box below.
Okay. Oh,
It's a-
oh, it didn't work. I'm in the video.
I'll put a link on somewhere on the screen. 3. Okay, there you go.
of a run peak.